Next, I want to show how we can use the calculator to solve question 1. So we want to type the observed table into matrix A on the calculator. And we do not include the totals, we don't include the labels, and we don't have to enter in any of the expected numbers. So it's just the observed table. And this is a 2 by 2 matrix because we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Then I'm going to select the chi-square test. So I'm going to press second matrix to get to the matrix menu, and then go over to edit, and then select matrix A and press enter. I want to make sure that the dimensions are 2 by 2, and then I'm going to enter in all of the observed values, and then quit out, and then press stat, go over to tests, and then select the chi-square test. So I want the observed to be matrix A and the expected to be matrix B. Now, we never had to enter in any of the expected values, but what the calculator does is it will actually calculate all of the expected values and put them into matrix B. But we actually don't care because we are not going to use that for the final answer. So we just need to press calculate. So the chi-squared value is 1.425, which is consistent with what we found on question 1. And the p-value is 0.2327. So if we use the rejection region method, our picture would look like this. And chi-squared is not in the rejection region, so we would fail to reject the null hypothesis. And that is consistent with number 1. If we do the p-value method, the picture would look like this, and the p-value is greater than alpha. So again, we would fail to reject the null hypothesis. So it is consistent.